I like working on a project and knowing that I don't know the answer because no one knows that answer yet. The creative effort here is really the definition of teamwork. We have engineers, media server operators, and motion graphics artists all working together to figure out how can we turn the projection, the graphics, the interactivity into a single concise show. It's really exciting when you're trying to push technology to do something it hasn't done before. While it may be a challenge, it's all about where can we take this next. Being able to experiment and prototype our projects and really get them working in a lab scenario very quickly has been able to help us try new innovative things.
Our clients have come to know Quince as a place where they can ask about unusual requests and expect us to be able to pull it off.
When you're designing motion graphics for the stage, what you're really doing is translating feet and inches into pixel dimensions. Because of that, it's all about having a really accurate CAD to start from. A lot of what we design starts directly in Vectorworks, and they're not achievable unless you have the really middle-brained approach. So knowing what's possible can really help progress the design. We always work in a full-on 3D environment. Nothing starts in 2D and is extruded. Everything, is either hybrid objects or imported 3D models, and we start from that 3D base and design our effects completely in that 3D environment.
When we first started going into basketball arenas or hockey rinks to do forced perspective 3D projection on the surface itself, nobody was doing it yet. And so there was no guidebook to go by. It was one that we had to come up with a solution for and be able to replicate it in a multitude of different venues. It's really gratifying to see something that I started working on as early as 2009 finally come to fruition in a permanent way.
Because a lot of what we do is creating a visual product, the collaboration process is equally as visual. It's about sharing renderings, drawings, photos, adding the dimensions, the shapes, the sizes, and then working with the other vendors, lighting, scenic, audio, as to how that translates into a definitive stage picture. So there's two things that really excite me about both the industry and where we're heading as a company. Creating displays that are more immersive and more interactive. A lot of the audience expectations coming in are all about videoed content. Being able to play a game on your phone, check your email on your iPad, it's almost impossible to get the attention of an audience if they're not having some sort of engaging display. So whether that be larger, more immersive displays or interactive displays is really helping get eyes drawn to the right spot where the creative folks want them. What I love about what I do is just really trying to create something unique, something that the audience will walk away and remember. It's almost like an addiction. The more challenging projects I take on, the deeper I go down the rabbit hole, and I just want to see where that rabbit hole leads.